Hello everyone, Adam on the scene here at Disney's Yacht Club. Let's get started with the room tour, shall we? Alright everybody, after a long walk from the lobby, welcome to room 1018. Come on in, and wow, I like this. Disney refers to the resort as a grand New England-style lakeside hotel. This particular room was booked as a garden or woods view room, but actually you'll see in a few moments, kind of got a mixture of garden, woods, and a little bit of water as well. As always at a Disney resort, you're welcomed with a letter from the general manager, as well as a little, towel origami here. Here we got a Mickey Mouse. Let's take a look around the room, look at the nautical theming. This particular room has 2 queen beds. Has a nice little work area over here. There's actually a smaller desk under that desk that will pull out. You can move it around the room if you need to. Each side of the headboard has a light built into it. Just pull it out, turns on, push it back in, and the light turns off. It's primarily intended for reading, but it comes in handy in the middle of the night when all the other lights are off and you need to find your way to and from the restroom. Here's the sleeper sofa, which allows you to sleep up to 5 people in this room. More details on that in just a few moments. Here we have some nautical artwork, as well as a 55-inch TV on the wall. Below the TV we have the dresser, which has power built into it, both USB ports and traditional outlets, both on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Great for when you have multiple parties traveling with you. To the right of the dresser we have a door to the adjoining room, as well as a luggage rack. Let's check out the storage available here in the dresser. Here we've got the extra pillow and blanket that you can use on the sofa bed. And multiple drawers. We got 4 on the right, 4 on the left, and 1 shallow drawer here on the center. Now there is an entire wardrobe closet that we'll get to in just a few moments. We passed it as we walked in the room. It was over to the right. But as you can see here, right here in this dresser, you have plenty of storage if you have multiple people traveling with you. Should have no problem at all finding a place to put things if you're staying here for more than a few days and like to get things out of your bags. Let's take a step back to get a wide view of the room. This would be your view from the bed side of the room here. That couch is actually fairly comfortable to sit on. Let's go ahead and walk on over to that wardrobe closet and let's check it out. Now, I thought this was pretty neat. I haven't seen this at any other Disney resort. No, not the iron. We've all seen the iron. All the resorts have irons. It's what's below it. This is pretty cool. Look at this. The ironing board slides out of the cabinet and then folds open. That is so easy. Think of it. Every time you use a traditional ironing board, what a pain in the butt it is sometimes to get those puppies open. And putting it away is just as simple. Fold it close, slide it back into the cabinet, and you're done. And below it we've got the traditional Disney safe. Set your own pin code there, some more storage down below. I thought that was pretty trick. I hadn't seen that before. Alright, moving right along. I must not get out much. In any event, you want to hang some clothes? Mickey's got you covered there as well. Got plenty of space with hangers to hang up some clothes, get it out of the way, keep things nice, neat, and tidy within the room for you. Place to put some shoes, smaller bags, and so forth. Good amount of space, plenty of storage for a room this size. By the way, I missed this when filming, but the left door has a full-length mirror for you if you need it. Okay, just to the right of the wardrobe, we've got your mugs, your paper cups, your glassware. You got your Keurig coffee maker. You got your complimentary coffee creamer. You got your ice bucket with your tongs. Very nice setup just as you walk in the door to the right. And down below all of this, in the cabinet, you've got your fridge with the glass door, so you can see what you got in there. Make sure to always check that before you leave, so you don't leave any goodies behind. Alright, let's take a quick lap around the room before we move on to the vanity and restroom area. Take a look at the nautical theming again. Here's the instructions on how to open the sofa bed. We'll go through that in just a few moments here. But I really like this room. I like the theming. I like the colors. I like everything. The lighting. The beds were very nice and comfortable. Again, these are pretty much the same things that you would see in other rooms. It just all comes down to your preference. Under the beds, there's plenty of storage if you want to push a bag under there. Nice laminate hardwood style floors. Again, just a very, very nice space. Let's head on over to the vanity and restroom area. To enter the vanity area, just slide open this barn style sliding door. Definitely a space saver. Nicer looking than a traditional pocket door. Beautiful mirror, large mirror. His and her sinks. Very nice space. Again, very nice theming. Higher end resort. Here you got the actual soaps and stuff that you can take home. Some more glasses. Got your articulating mirror. Again, pretty standard after all the refurbishments with a built-in light. Nice feature to have. Overall, very nice vanity area. Plenty of room for two people to get ready in the morning without bumping into each other too much. Down below, more storage, as well as a hairdryer for you to use. Just a very, very, very nice space. Good lighting as well. To your left, you got the shower tub combo area and toilet, all behind a pocket door for a little privacy, separated from the vanity area. Nice sliding glass door here for the shower tub combo. Very nice. To your left, thankfully there's no dispensers. That's your bath soap, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. In this shower tub combo, you have a rain shower head above, as well as your hand shower head. I'm starting to see more of the rain shower heads and these combination shower heads in the Disney resorts. Very nice, gives you a couple different settings for either or both simultaneously. So again, overall, very nice bathroom vanity area. Let's go check out the sofa bed now. Okay, here we are in sofa mode. It was actually very comfortable for a sofa bed combo. You can't always say that. Alright, and here the sofa bed is in bed mode. I did not try laying down on the bed. I'm 6'5", so this is probably really ideal for kids or smaller adults. Converting from sofa, the sofa bed is a two-step process using a lever and a strap. Alright, the first step is to push down this lever, and then you'll grab the strap up top, pull it towards you, and get to a certain point, you gotta pull down or push down on it, and now you're into the bed mode. As you can see, there's still plenty of space to walk around between the queen bed and the sofa bed. To convert it back to sofa mode, just pull on the strap, get a good grip, pull it on up. I needed to use my knee here holding the camera, but it wasn't too bad. And just push it on back upright, and you're done. Alright, let's take a look at the back patio of this first floor unit here. So first we got to open up these heavy dark curtains, which did a great job at blocking out all the natural light. And you have more of these sheer curtains behind it. It's a nice size sliding glass door, lets a lot of light in. It's very nice. Let's go ahead and open up the door and take a look outside, shall we? As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this was a garden or woods view, but we got a little bit something extra here. I guess this would be the garden view. There is a canal right there just before the woods view there, so we got a little bit of each. Got a little water, got a little garden, got a little woods. So I pan on over here to the left. You can see the boardwalk. And for your reference, just behind those trees is the Swan and Dolphin hotels. This is the standard patio or balcony setup for Disney. Have 2 comfortable chairs and a nice small table for you to put a drink on or even put your feet up. And that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Overall, I do give this room a thumbs up. Did like the resort overall. It was a little bit of a walk from the lobby, but it was a very nice hotel. So I'm going to go head on out to the parks now. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.